Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make your voice sound deeper or make your voice deeper on Soundtrap. Here's how you can make your voice deeper using the Soundtrap web app. The first thing you'd like to do is to open your browser and go to your Soundtrap web app and log in using your account credentials. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this home page. On the home page, go to the project section, which is just in the center of the screen. Then click on Enter Studio here to create a new project or select an existing project from the list. So I'm going to use this existing project and click Studio so it can take me right into the studio. So once we enter the studio, the next thing that we have to talk about or explore is how to record or import your voice track, because you will need a voice track to get the option of making your voice sound deeper. So in here, if you're recording, click the add new track option here, and once you click here, go ahead and click on voice and mic from the list of track types. So once you're here, record your voice by clicking start recording, which is here. Just click the start recording icon at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. You'll be recording, and your record will appear here where you have mic. Your record, that's your voice track, will appear here on the just right next to the mic. And if you're importing, go ahead and click on import file from the studio's middle section and click import to track and follow the prompts to upload your voice file. Then select the voice track once you're done. So let's say this is the voice track. Click on the track containing your voice recording to highlight it. So once you click on that, ensure the track is active by confirming it is outlined in the studio. So at the top left of the studio, go ahead and click on edit. So you can click on edit from here too if you don't want to go there. Click edit and it takes you to all of these options from here. Click on effects and that is going to take you here. This will open the effect panel for the selected track. This is the effect panel. In the effect panel, look for pitch or the transposition tool. Let's click on add effect and let's look for transposition. Okay, that doesn't look like something that is found here. Oh, the pitch shifter is here, but it is set as diamond, meaning you have to pay for this. You have to pay for this. All right, so let's say this pitch has been paid for and you need to use it. So once you click on this pitch shifter, you'll need to lower the pitch by dragging the slider to the left. That's negative values to make your voice sound deeper. Now experiment until you achieve the desired depth. That's for pitch. Now you can also use the EQ, that's the equalizer, to enhance lower frequencies. Now in here, you're going to have to search for equalizers. I already have equalizer. But let's say you don't have equalizer, just go ahead and click on equalizer and that's going to be added to the list of effects. But I have my equalizer and that is what I have here. So boost the bass and lower mid frequencies for a richer, deeper voice tone. So this is lower here. So you have to boost it. Boost it by boosting it, you have to increase it. That's using the slider. So for the higher frequency, that's this high frequencies here. You have to reduce the higher frequencies to minimize sharpness in the voice and then increase the lower frequencies. Also, you can add effects like reverb. We have reverb here. And you can also add chorus or compressor. Just go ahead and search here for those effects. Chorus, compressor, and just add to the effects panel. Now, reverb adds depth to the sound. We have reverb here already, and compressor balances the voice dynamics for consistency. So once you're done with all of that, click on the play button at the bottom to preview your changes. Make additional adjustments to the pitch, to the EQ, or effect as needed until satisfied. Go ahead and click File, Save. Click File, then click Save in the top left menu to save your project with the changes. And if you wish to download the final track, click Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format and export the project. So there is another way we can, change the pitch. So from this track, go all out on that. So on this track, you can just click on the track and click on Edit. And from Edit, click on Pitch. And once you click on Pitch, then just go ahead and lower the pitch by using any of this minus icon. So just lower the pitch by using any of the negative values. So once you lower it, the lower you go, the depth you get. And that's it. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.